During my professional career, I've been a crime scene examiner in the New South Wales Police Force, an electrical engineer, the head of fire investigation at a major insurance company, and for the past 2 decades a fire scene examiner. I've even been a first grade NRL referee. Through all these different environments, I've developed a deeply seated desire to get to the heart of the matter and determine the truth. I am regularly called upon to give evidence in cases where millions of dollars are at stake, where someone could well go to jail. The courts rely upon our expertise and our ability to professionally uncover and communicate the facts. Our clients rely upon us to do the same. Insurance companies need to know when they are making a determination on the outcome of a claim that they have accurate information that has been professionally compiled. Lawyers and barristers need to rely on our reports and often our evidence in court. They must be confident that our investigations cannot be picked apart by opposing counsel. It is that search for the truth that guides all our professional activities here at GKA Investigations Group. It's at the heart of our values and is practiced every day. Essentially, it boils down to 3 important things. Impartiality. We are paid by our client to determine the truth, not to substantiate a particular point of view. Process. We follow an exact procedure and are meticulous in obtaining all the facts, but do so in an ethical, legal and tactful manner. Expertise. Our factual investigators and forensic fire examiners are proven professionals, properly trained and with many years of experience. In every investigation, be it factual, forensic or a combination of both, we remain committed to determining the truth.